discovery is done in depth. You know what you're doing when you get into that build out phase. And so, yeah, once you get a complete audit of, what you're going to build, what your site is, the next step of the project would be like spin up a new Umbraco instance and then build out that functionality. We'll do that, take that content audit that will consist of all the pages. It'll have all the kind of components and the structure of how things will be edited mapped out, and we can take that and plug all that logic into Umbraco. And so usually we identify a list of key pages that kind of consist of all the functionality that you would need for your site. And then those will be what we build out and test to make sure that works. You might have a site that has, hundreds of pages, but we can boil that down to a handful of page types. So maybe you have like 20 page types that are actually exist in your site that will consist of all the page types and components you need. We can build those out, test those to make sure those work, and then go into that content authoring phase where we migrate that content over. So we migrate the functionality and content in two different phases.